This is my Procom heater. The igniter quit working. We couldn't get a spark. It was really pretty easy to take apart. I took it off the wall, but I didn't really have to. See, there's where the igniter goes in, right up there. And I didn't realize it, but this whole front piece is only held on by 4 screws, and it comes right out and gives you easy access to all that area. And I bought these cheap igniters on Amazon. They were a little bit bigger in diameter around this collar right here, so I had to grind that down. Started doing it with a file. That was going too slowly, so I ended up using my bench grinder. It's very easy to grind it down and allow it to fit into the recessed area up there at the top. Into there, it wasn't fitting in there. But as soon as I did that, put the new one in. This cable right here, simply unplugged from the bottom of the old one and plugged into the new one. So now, spark.